What's good? What is good, my sisters? We're back again with another video, and today we're at the Virgin Hotels, and I'm going to show you what the Chambers Suite at the Opal Tower looks like. Let's go! When we first walk in, immediately to the left, we are greeted by this full-length mirror. And then on the right side, we have this vanity, but what's really cool about this is that you see this big door right here? Well, it connects you to the bedroom. So if we just close this door, now when people enter, and there's a little peephole. So now, like when people enter your room and stuff, they can just see the bathroom, which we'll go to in a second, and this area right here. Now I really like this area because this is a vanity. And so you have like a drawer here. That's pretty steep considering. And then check out this vanity. Look at that. There's a mirror on all three sides of it. How cool is that? And you have like outlets and stuff that you can use. But there is a light for the vanity. So now look at that. We're glowing. Come on. Virgin Hotels is winning. All right. So now if we close this, so let me show you what else is on the sides of the vanity, because I really like this portion of it. So you see this cloth right here? Well, this is actually a his and hers closet. So you have a shelf at the very tip top where you can put things, and then the light comes on when you move the curtain, and then you can hang up your stuff. Sorry, the door keeps falling. And there's even a little drawer and another spot to put your stuff down below the drawer. This is the other closet. So again, you open it up, the light comes on, the hangers, the shelf, and then another shelf to put your stuff, the safe, and a shelf below that. Let's check out the bathroom. To the left, you're greeted by two sinks and a mirror. But the cool thing about this mirror is that the light switch right here is labeled overhead and vanity. So if we click vanity, check out the light. It gets brighter and it turns off. So if we turn it back on, look at that. Look how bright it got. So that's really cool. And then you have your towels and things underneath. You have another shelf under there as well. And then the bathroom, you have the toilet and a shower with a glass door. That's what their shower heads look like. And then look, that's like a removable shower head as well. So you have options. The only thing, and you have like a safety handle. The only thing about this is that there's no, like, you can't take a bath in here. But yes, this is the bathroom, and look, light switch is labeled, you click it, the bathroom light goes off. How cool is this? I think out of all the room tours, this one's my favorite. The setup is so cute. Everything just looks so cool. All right, so now let's get into the bedroom aspect of it. You're greeted by two queen beds, and check this out. Instead of having like a regular night table, like a regular nightstand, you have like these like, I don't even know what you would call them, but look at how cool this table looks. So you have your clock, your remote, you have lamps right there. That is the thermostat right here. And then look at all the artwork. So these things are lamps. Let's pull one out. Ooh. See how you can just, and it comes on versus when you close it, it turns off. I love those. I think those are so cool. And then look at all the pillows you get. So you get 4 pillows per bed, and then it's also like a little couch area. So it comes with a table, some throw pillows, and then check it out. There's outlets on the couch. So you can sit there and like charge your phone, do whatever you want. And then this is the TV aspect of it. So there's a TV, again, a weighted tray and mini bar. So you get an intimacy kit, some snacks, some water, but you do have to pay extra for those. They don't come included. But what does come included is your ice bucket and some cups. And then again with some shelves to put your own things in. And then let's check out the mini bar. So again, the mini bar is weighted and automated. So it says if items are moved or removed, they are billed immediately. So I don't even want to open this because I'm scared to like have to pay for it. But yeah, this is the mini bar, and it's an extra charge. It does not come included in your room. But look at this like little setup. It's literally set up like a cart. How cool is that? So then if we come over to the left side, we're greeted by some more outlets that you can use. And then look at that, you have all the controls for the lighting right over here. So you have your bedroom, the bedside, the pennant, the floor lamp, and then for all of them, you can turn them all on or off. How cool is that? And then lastly, let's check out the view. So this is the view. We can see the Ferris wheel, which means we can see the Link, the Platinum Building, Venetian, Plaza, the MSG Sphere right here. And then behind that is the Wynn and Encore, Resorts World, Fontainebleau you can kind of see back here. You can see the Strat, the Westgate, you can see everything. So this street right here is Flamingo. And then you can see Silver Sevens. I really like this view. It looks so nice. It looks so good. Yeah, this is a great view. I love it. All right, you guys, that concludes this week's video of what the chamber suites in the Opal Towers at the Virgin Hotels looks like. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have ever stayed in this room, because this is the first time I've ever been in here, and it looks so cute. I love the setup of this. I think out of all the room tours I've done, this room is my favorite by far. Like, it's just very modern, very cute, very stylish. I like it a lot. So be sure to tell me your thoughts in the comments below. While you're down there, be sure to like this video and smash that subscribe button. Toodles!